even get you a little bit. Oh, there must be some type of commitment.
Say you're fighting because of your money. Oh.
Coming soon.
It's called this Ababa. Now I'm hungry without the account. What's it won't pay?
Messi would you want no food? What's all that? And my water to fair. No, this come on. No, share. Bible say about at a see. And yet, said I won't mean to me, you. Let me be papa. Me have my wife, me to me, Yama was over family, and I did now bet me. So about family, and I said, now we can miss me to my city. And in the be it a police. And in the end, most of you do so people. What's another present in Joe? And I said, so Massa. You say that man from I would do me friend come and about. Row, when I turn over, when I turn over, when I go. Sim Kunkana Mosalamudi. Asia, Uncle. So say my light surface appear. The guy have it there. Is it what they can be trimmed? Brother trim. Some more quack or my matter to brave him. Hasamba, a Yanaka. It's been passing. What a wonderful baby. I'm saying, and I'm going to check. I'm still from Sunday. And never before. Listen, you're going to the other men. Oh, the baby I know better than this. I am for so absolutely so. The way me listen, I am for so the top. It's not my fault. Spend a minute before. We don't be deciding anything now. Spending this. You all come back to Nigeria. Oh, Sweetie, that's all.
Baby, let me tell you how I feel. Come closer. Can you feel my heartbeat? Oh, baby, let me put my hand in yours. Come closer. Can you feel my heartbeat? And it's no.
My behavior, and I dream my behavior. My behavior, shut the wall, my behavior. Man, I girl be walking any westy or do. I know they lie, she love me, oh she. My behavior, and you know what is that? And I dream you. Can't see you, Wakasu. Don't move, Wakasu, please. If you move, Wakasu, do you remember me? You don't remember me?
No.
Yamole! Yamole!
Are you crazy?
No!
I don't know you. Who is Yamole?
Okasu, don't go. Give me my money. I'll give you money. You say you buy me house. Hey, sorry. You hand me house.
Hey! Me take your money run away?
Yes! I'll give you 20 million.
Crazy! Madman! Who want 20 million? Huh? Who want 20 million? They had that. You know.
Serious?
20 million.
Yes.
Do you have 20 million?
Yes.
Do you have 20 million?
Yes.
Madman.
Hey! Don't go. Wakasu, don't go. Okay, don't go. Bad ball. Yes. Bruh, look at me. Are you okay? I have to ask you if you are okay. This girl money to buy me to have me house, 2-bedroom, a single room.
Hey!
Like 2-bedroom, 1 single room, serious.
Huh?
And then take us.
Hey!
Wow.
Yeah.
Why should you want to do that?
Yeah. Into the original one now. Wait. But then you know original one. Into show no. Over 20 million they had. Not even a single room.
2 bedroom.
And this not quite a single room. Do you have a?
Wow, show you beer. Make sure it's beer. Who's asking when you have your mother?
Of course.
Oh, okay, sorry, myself. What I want to say? A bad is saying, and I will just give you say, if you be saying.
Bra, and so show me, look at me very well. And so wait, you know, capre. Wait a minute.
Mimi,
don't mind him.
No, so I don't know.
Why you cry for? But then you need to know what's happening.
Me fiase ko. Hey! Mr. Fiako. No food. Ah! Show you piano the way I would see ya. The person who for be say did wait.
Show me very well. But then on issue. Come back how you want to take me. Give me for one. Single go.
Siebi. No food. I say go. Now, let's see. You wanna fit you mana say you. You bow. I don't feel you say. Who's on? Yes, sir. Why then?
Why you miss it?
Who's sick?
Oh God.
Who's sick?
Why you miss it? Let's go come in again. Alright. Baby, I'm calling me again. Come.
You see the beer on me home.
What dear? You cry, budget.
Hey, Kwa.
That is great. I see na me phone. Oh no, what you Dallas?
Dallas no je.
Aye.
Ghana ha.
But why?
Ba ko cry.
Case can I so. Only me fear me.
You feel way?
We are all the village.
Come away.
Of course.
I want out you own.
I want to meet.
You frozen.
Oh, the boha. Go back home, right?
Ah, you're frozen.
Oh, boha home.
Please don't.
Yes, I will come. What's it? Oh, David. I believe my uncle. That's why I give the money to him.
Right today. It's kind of at the money there. Offensive then, and I see fear from on. It's kind of saying.
Yes, I will come. What's it? Oh, David. I believe my uncle. That's why I give the money to him. Ha! Tisana me. Meet me.
If I had a